Hi, in this video, I want to share with you how to list all the file name instead of showing in the immediate window, which is like this, right? It shows the immediate window, but now I want to change this data right to the current worksheet. How to do that? So change this. So I'm going to delete this, and first, I want to know where should I put my next data here, right? So the way to do that is access this object here, right? I want to know where is the next available rows to enter. So I put this there and rows dot count and dot n xl up and dot offset 10 dot rows. Okay. So if you don't understand what's offset, right, do find my other videos to talk about this. Now, next is that I want to know that I assign it to a variable called next row. Okay, so now instead of printing out into the immediate window, now I change this right to a range object, right? So um, I can just assign it to range A1, right? In that case, right, I will always store into A2, right? I will always take the next value into the cell A2. This is not what you want, right? See that around the code, right? You can see that it's always put into the same row. So I want to change this, right? So instead of that, I break it into two, right? And then right, so I basically break the A2 into two parts, joining with the M, and then I join the next row up here. Okay, let's see if that works, right? And I run the code. Okay, so it repeat two times because I have this earlier names, right? And I just run this code again, right? So that's about it, right? So I have the data here, right? It's 20 of the list item here, right? It's just as it is all showing in this folder. Okay, and that is how we move the result from a immediate window to a worksheet. Right, if you want to put it into the other worksheet, let's say in sheet 2, right, you can do so just by putting extra words here at worksheets and specify is to go to the sheet 2, right? And of course, you need to find the next row is also on the set on this, right? Then even you are in sheet 1, right, and you run the code, you'll always show in sheet 2. Okay, so you can add additional code right here, worksheets, specify the sheet names, right? And that's all. And thanks for watching.